In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation and add a trigger. We're going to keep this simple and straightforward so you can follow along in real time. And automations help you save time by handling repeatable tasks for you. And a trigger is the event that sets that automation in motion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, look to the right side of your screen for the strike icon. It's often represented by a lightning bolt or an action symbol, and it typically sits near other quick access tools. If your window is narrow or you're on a smaller display, that icon may be tucked behind a collapsible panel. Try expanding the sidebar or hovering along the right edge until the toolbar appears. When you hover over the strike icon, you might see a tooltip that hints at automations or actions. Go ahead and click it. Next, find and click on Rules. Rules are usually the hub where automations live, or the place where you define what events should cause something to happen. Depending on your setup, rules might be a tab, a menu item, or a section within a settings panel. If you don't see it immediately, look for a submenu, a gear icon, or an advanced link that reveals more options. Keep in mind that some workspaces require certain permissions to access rules. So if the option is grayed out, you may need to request access from your admin. Once you're in the rules area, click on Create Automation. This opens the builder where you'll set up what the automation should do. You don't need to finalize anything right now. This step simply starts the process. If you're prompted to give your automation a name, choose something clear and descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to build multiple automations. Finally, click on Add Trigger. The trigger is the when of your automation, the event that starts everything. After you click it, you'll typically see a list of available events, such as when a record is created, a status changes, or a date is reached. You can review those options to understand what's possible, and you can always come back to refine the choice later if you're exploring. To recap, you click the strike icon on the right side, open Rules, selected Create Automation, and then chose Add Trigger. If you don't see one of these elements, try widening your window, checking for hidden panels, or refreshing the page. That's all you need to begin building powerful, time-saving automations. Thanks for watching.